Hello, and welcome to this App Studio Getting Started video. This video introduces the basic information about panels and how to customize them. It also shows you how to access panels or remove them from view. The first panel you see when you open the App Studio workspace is the Environments Tree panel, which allows you to view, modify, and create content in your environments. By default, it is located on the left side of your screen. You can change the position of any panel by clicking the arrow button located in the upper right corner of the panel container. From the Panel Properties menu, select the display option for the panel you want to rearrange. Select Floating if you want to undock the panel and move it freely around your desktop, even outside of the App Studio workspace. Double-click the top of the panel to quickly return it to its last docking position. You can hide a panel by clicking the vertical pin button, located in the upper right corner of the panel container. When you unpin the panel, it is auto-hidden and appears as a tab on the edge of the canvas. When you hover over this tab, the panel reopens and hides again when you take your cursor away. If you need to keep a panel open while you develop your application, click the horizontal pin button, located in the upper right corner of the panel container. You can also move panels across the canvas and dock them in various locations. To move a panel, click on the top of the panel container and drag it across the canvas. As you can see, the set of handles appears. These handles allow you to place a panel on either side of your canvas. Point your mouse to a handle. A shaded area tells you where the panel will be docked after you release the mouse. If you are satisfied with this position, release the mouse. The panel neatly docks itself on the edge of the canvas. If you are using more than one panel at the same time, you can apply handles to dock them side by side vertically, horizontally, or, if you wish to conserve space, combine them into a single container with tabs. If you need to adjust the size of the panel container, move your cursor to the edge of the panel until you see the double-headed arrow. Drag the edge of the panel to achieve the width you need. Finally, if you wish to remove the panel from view, click the cross in the upper right corner of the panel container. To reopen the panel, or open a new panel, go to the View section of the ribbon in the Home tab. Select the button for each panel you wish to open on your canvas. As your work in App Studio progresses, you will discover more panels that provide additional tools for developing your environment. For example, these are the panels for the HTML canvas. To reopen a closed panel, or open a new panel in the HTML canvas, go to the View section in the Utilities tab. To learn more, visit the WebFocus knowledge base, where you can search all technical topics and videos.